A 56-year-old man comes to a physician because of progressive fatigue and night sweats for the past 2 months. He has also noticed a 3 kg weight loss during this period. He has no history of serious illness and takes no medications. He does not smoke or drink alcohol. Family history is unremarkable. He appears pale but is not in distress. He is 180 cm tall and weighs 80 kg. BMI is 24.7 kg per meter square. Temperature is 37.2 degrees Celsius. Pulse is 88 per minute. And blood pressure is 128/76 millimeters of mercury. Physical examination shows a palpable spleen extending 5 centimeters below the left costal margin. There is no lymphadenopathy or petechia. Laboratory studies show hemoglobin is 11.2, leukocytes is 92,000, segmented neutrophils are 60%, bands 12%, myelocytes 10%. Oh, this will be CML. Metamyelocytes 6%, eosinophils 4%, basophils 6%, blasts 2%, platelet count 480,000. Which of the following is most likely to occur if this patient's condition is left untreated? Transformation to chronic lymphocytic leukemia, development of disseminated intravascular coagulation with widespread bleeding, development of acute leukemia with high percentage of blasts, rapid onset of hemolytic anemia due to red cell distribution and progression to extensive bone marrow fibrosis. I think there's usually pancytopenia at the end of the whole decompensation of the chronic myeloid leukemia. But first of all, there is a phase in between in which there is an acute leukemia-like phase where there is hyperproliferation of blast cells. Then after that, there can now be bone marrow failure with pancytopenia. So I think I will go with C, because that looks like the phase of hyperproliferation that looks like the acute leukemia phase before the bone marrow failure. So let's see. Yes. Uncontrolled proliferation. Yeah. Right. Right. Yeah, resembles acute leukemia. Makes sense.